Good morning, dear students. I am your teacher, Saidul Islam, speaking from Shoaib Buddhijbi, Dr. Humayun Kabir High School. I hope you are well, and I am also well. Dear students, there are some special days in our national life and history, as Pahila Boishakh, 21 February, 26 March and 16 December. Today I will say about 26 March. Our today's topic, the Independence Day. Lesson 5, Unit 3, page number 36, and this is same passage 1. Please write the topic. (26 March) is our national and Independence Day. On 25 March in 1971, the Pakistani military attacked our Bangladesh. Next day, on 26 March, the independence was declared. The day is celebrated every year in the whole country, gorgeously. The day begins with a 21st gun salute. Dear students, now I will read some of the passages. Please follow me. Lesson 5, Independence Day. 26 March, our Independence Day, is the biggest state festival. The day is celebrated every year in the country with great enthusiasm and fervor. It is a national holiday. All offices, educational institutions, shops and factories remain closed on the day. The day begins with a 31st gun salute. Early in the morning, the President and the Prime Minister, on behalf of the nation, place floral wreaths at the National Mausoleum at Sabha. Then other leaders, political parties, diplomats, social and cultural organizations, educational institutions, and freedom fighters pay homage to the martyrs. People from all walks of life also go there in rallies and processions. There are many cultural programs throughout the day highlighting the heroic struggle and sacrifice in 1971. Dear students, now I will collect some new words and its meaning. Please follow the board. Number 1. Independence. It means freedom. Number 2, strength. State means can do. Number 3, friend. Friend means sheep. Number 4, power. Fervor, it means eagerness. Dear students, now I will discuss about question of this passage. Perhaps you know that this is scene passage 1. So, 2 kinds of question of this passage. Number 1, MCQ. Number 2, free question. Now I will give an example on free question. Sorry, MCQ. Here option 22, number B 22, number A 22, number B 26, number C 30 and number D 31. Here correct answer option B 26 marks. Question number 2. The day is Here question, the number 2, the day is celebrated dash. Option A, every year. Option B, after 2 years. Option C, after 3 years. And option D, after 4 years. Correct answer? Option A, every year. Question number 3, the day begins. Question number 3, the day begins with a dash gun salute. Option A. Here, option A 22, option B 21, option C 24, and option D 25. Correct answer? Option A. Sorry, option B 21st. Dear students, by this time I discussed on MCQ question. Every state has national and Independence Day. Their people celebrate the day unitedly. We should celebrate the day same way. By today's briefing, you can give statements about the Independence Day. Dear students, your homework, you will make 5 free questions and its answer. Thank you so much. See you again in next class. Okay, bye.